Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a tiny little Dollar Tree haul. And so thanks for stopping by, and welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome back if you have. Hope you have an awesome day. Had to get some AAA batteries to go into the motorized pencil sharpener that I got from the Dollar Tree, so that's to go with that. And I did get the megaphone, which I thought I already had, but apparently I made a mistake and put it back. And I did not meant to pick these up. So I have these. I was holding them and I meant to put the back. But, well, I was picking these up, which I do have these, but I did want to get extra set of these. And these are, don't say what the millimeters is on this one, but it is 250 piece. And then I picked up some of these stickers. Got the red, actually I got two red, I'm sure, because, you know, that's my color. Got two of the red ones, two of the black ones, a blue, that purple is pretty, pink, and a silver. My friend Susan had showed me those. I didn't know, so I had to go to another Dollar Tree to get that. Picked up some more brushes, and then I picked this rubber one. I thought this was nice. It's Je t'aime. It says postcard, handled with care, sincerely, XOXO, Amour, carte postale, Amour, you know, I don't speak French, whatever, but that one. And I think these was out before, but I think I got these, so I just got the shells, and I like the little colors that they're in, so I got that too. And then I did pick this sticker set up, which was the Mocha Frappe Latte, and these are nice puffy stickers. So I got two of those. So that is my teeny tiny little Dollar Tree haul. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.